We'll now have fast. It is based on Isaiah 58, verses 6 to 9. It has been set to music by our translator, Donett Ledford, and she will sing it for us now.
Is this not the fast that I have chosen? To break the bonds of wickedness, to undo the heavy burden, and to let the oppressed go free, and that he may break every yoke. Is it not to deal thy bread to the hungry, and satisfy the afflicted soul? When thou seest the naked, that thou cover him, and that thou hide not thyself from thine own flesh, then shall thy light break forth as the morning, and thy light shall spring forth speedily, and thy righteousness shall go before thee. The glory of the Lord will be your reward. Then shalt thou speak, and the Lord shall answer.
Thou shalt cry.
Thou shalt cry, and he shall say, Here I am. If thou take away from the midst of thee the yoke, and the putting forth of the finger, and speaking vanity, then shall thy lights break forth, thy help break forth as the morning, and thy help shall spring forth speedily, and thy righteousness shall go before thee. The glory of the Lord will be your reward. Feed the hungry, clothe the naked, then shall thy help spring forth as the morning. That's the fast that he has chosen. The fast he has chosen.